I'll be explaining you one of my favorite club juggling tricks, which is the scissor catch. Which beanbag. Hello! My name is Daniel. Welcome to Circus-expert. The scissor catch is a club being trapped between two other clubs, and you feel a little bit like a crab when you do the scissor catch move. You need two clubs that you hold together. I have my club that I throw in the first position always up top, but it can also be done with the club at the bottom. However, for my position, I find it easiest because then I can grab the bottom club really well between my thumb and, well, what is it? The side of my hand. The club is placed upside down with the knob around the tape. You can also catch it along the body, but then you try and slide it down towards the tape because that's the most stable position. And you can squeeze it so it stays up, but if you let it go a little bit and relax your hands, then it slides down to the knob. This is the final position. To get there, it helps if you can open the clubs. This is a bit of a difficult move in the beginning. It takes some practice to be able to open your hands. I squeeze with the side of my thumb to the side of my hand, and that's where I squeeze the green club. And the yellow club I hold between my fingers, and I really roll out my fingers so I'm holding it over here. Like this, I can place two clubs independently in my hand and control them. It's almost like learning to eat with chopsticks. In the beginning it's very difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually not so bad. Because the club normally spins towards yourself as you catch. You make a normal single throw, for example. You can catch it already over here near the beginning, and it will keep on rotating and rotating and rotating, and have all this time to close the club. Of course, if it rotates harder with enough force, it can force itself between, even if it's not open all the way. So even if you can't open it perfectly, you can still learn to do this move and get going by slicing forward and being on the right spot. Ultimately, you can bring it into a juggling pattern in different ways. I can collect and do a scissor catch there, so that means I stop one club in my right hand and then I have one more club to go, and that becomes the scissor catch. Or I can make a single throw and bring two clubs together. This goes a bit fast, so I prefer to do it with a double. So, hop. And hopefully, if you get the spin right, then you can catch it so that it can hang next to your body, and it looks very relaxing. Like if I have to correct for the rotation catch here, it's a bit awkward, but I like it when it works. It's a very relaxing kind of catch, and I can also do this out of different tricks. Like for example, you can finish with a back cross, shoop, put your clubs together and squeeze in, and it looks like you have full control, which if you practice, you do. So that's my tips on the scissor catch. I hope you can learn with this trick. Of course, you've seen me also throw out of the scissor catch. You can learn that as well. I wish you good luck with all of that, and then hopefully see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, maybe subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and then you'll learn many more tricks with clubs, balls, rings, everything juggling on Circus-expert. See you around!